Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I watched Supa create this look and I just redid it. So this is a recreation of Supa's look. If you want to see how I complete this look, then just stay tuned.
Well, they can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for sweat.
Right guys, so as you can see, my brows are completed and I went in and used the Crayon case highlighter, concealer in the shade 13 and Desirable Cosmetics brow pomade in the shade dark brown. I am also using the highlighter concealer just to create a base for my shadows, and I'm going to go in with the matte book, and I will be using two purples, yellow and the pink to complete this look. So before I get into the lid shades, we're going to cut our crease with the P. Louise base, and this is base 0. It is the white base, and this is just to make the colors pop a little bit more than they normally would on darker skin. Also note that when applying the lid colors, I am literally just stamping that on the lid. I'm not blending anything, so I place my colors first by stamping them on the lid, and then I blend in between colors just to make sure that the line is not harsh. So after applying my lid colors, I'm just going to blend out the edges just to make sure that it's not harsh. Then I'm going to create my wing using the Line Me eyeliner, and this is also from the Crayon case. Once this is finished, I'm going to go in with the Desirable Cosmetics Boss Babes lashes and also her lash glue. I actually think that this is actually the best lash glue I've come across ever. So I'm gonna pop a discount code for you guys below so you guys can check it out. For the next step, I'm just making sure that my lashes and my lash line are prepped for my lashes on the top and the mascara down at the bottom. And I really don't know why, but I put a lot of energy and effort into my bottom lashes and they never seem to come out on the video. But if I take a picture in lower lighting, they always seem to show up. Like, they don't show out, but they show up on the picture, but I can't get them to show up in a video. I don't know why. But yeah, this is the Boss Babe lashes from Desirable Cosmetics going on right here. And now they're both on, and as you can tell, I'm kind of feeling myself, but you know, when aren't I really? So next up, we're just going to complete the under eye by applying the purple shadow. And then we are going to do our base. So as you guys know, well, you don't know, but I've already moisturized my face. I normally use the Cetaphil moisturizer, and then I go in with the primer, and then the foundation, and then the highlighter, and then the mind blank, then the powder to bake, and then I contour, and then I set my face, and then I know this is long, and then I apply blush, and then I apply highlighter. So yeah, I don't think I really need to come in and say anything else apart from at the end. So just have a look guys, and I will catch you at the end of the video. Right guys, so as you can see, I've changed wigs because I was struggling with that wig, although it would have went perfect with this look. But this is the end product. This is it. This is how Supa Scent's look was when she did it on live, and I literally recreated this. Like, she did it on live and I got out of bed and I recreated it and posted it like the very next morning of doing it. But I hope you guys liked it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.